Okay, so sorry, let's get this up and running. The next function, number 15, the function h of x is negative 3 times x plus 2 quantity squared plus 5. That function can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, standard form. So we're given vertex form, we need to get it to standard form. Referring back to what I passed out in class, if you have standard form, if you have vertex form and you want to get it into standard form, we literally just expand this out, carefully following the order of operations. I didn't put one of these on the review sheet, but the same is true for intercept form. You would just multiply this all out and voila, you have standard form. So here we go, let's do it. Here's the function h of x, and how do we expand this out? A couple things. We start by following the famous order of operations, PEMDAS. So if you don't know why I write it like this, come see me. But this is how I write the order of operations. Alright, so we start with any parentheses. Well, we do have parentheses, x plus 2, but in algebra we can't combine them. So moving on, exponents. We need to take this group, x plus 2, and square it. Alright, so we can do that. And a brief reminder, well, I'll just do this out quickly. The first term squared is x squared, twice the product of the terms, so 2 times x times 2. So x times 2 is 2, 2 times 2x is 4x. Alright, and then square this last term. 2 squared is 4. Well, don't need any more exponents because we took care of it, and so plus 5. And what I just did there in that group, another quick reminder, a plus b squared, know the shortcut, a squared twice the product of the two terms, so 2 times a times b, and then add b squared. So we've proved this previously in class. It's easy to prove. Just literally expand this out, and that's what you get. But you want to know the shortcut. It's a time saver, and it happens way too frequently not to know it. All right. So that takes care of the exponent. Now we do any multiplication or division from left to right. Distributing is a form of multiplication. It's 3 times this group. So let's distribute the negative 3. Negative 3. All night. Negative 3 x squared minus 12x minus 12 plus 5, and we're almost there. We have two like terms, two constants that we can combine. So an equivalent form would be 3x squared minus 12x minus 7. And that's it. That's the form we were looking for. Ax squared plus bx plus c. So to answer the question, a is negative 3. Our b value plus, alright, let's change this to plus that. So our b is negative 12. And we're looking for a plus here, so we'll change that. Plus the opposite. C is negative 7. There you go. So good luck, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.